Hi everybody, today we are going to see about the fermented food and the importance of fermented food. Since 30 years I am practicing with the lifestyle disorders and metabolic disorders, and I have some compulsory formats for the prescriptions. And in that dietary measures, I every time write for the Indian people, stop with fermented food. On one side, the nutritional science says that fermented food is very good for health, and it is really good for health. We tell that fermented food is to be controlled, specifically for Indians. When we categorize certain foods, there is one group of food which is called as vidahi, which can create burning into the body, or which can be mal digested, which doesn't get digested very properly, and create some mal digestion. So what is our experience when we are consuming fermented food? So when the fermented food word comes to the society, specifically in the Indian continent, when it comes to the society, only South Indian food is focused. That is maybe idli, maybe dosa, maybe uttappa, or maybe something which is fermented and then it is processed and heated and then it is given and it is served. We will first look about the fermentation process. Fermented food or fermentation process is the degradation of carbohydrates from the grains. When we say that we have grains, they contain fats, they contain proteins in the form of amino acids, and they contain sugar. So the bacteria which play the process of fermentation, which take part in the process of fermentation, they degrade carbohydrate. They break down carbohydrate. Neither amino acids are broken, neither fatty acids are broken, but only carbohydrates are degraded, they are broken down, and then the fermented food is said good because it works as a probiotic, it works as a prebiotic, or it can reduce the glycemic index and glycemic load of the food, so it is good for the diabetic people.